Hey guys, today we have with us the Noise Shots Rush Wireless Sports Earphones. So now let's look at the box and see if it gives us any details about the earphones. The first thing we see right here is that it comes included with sports ear tips, which will basically make the fit much better. There's also low latency mode, which helps with gaming and media watching. You have a battery life of about 6 hours. You have full touch controls, an IPX5 water resistant rating, as well as 3 EQ modes. So now let's look inside the box and see what we get in here. So the first thing we have right here is a thank you note from Noise. You also have this little packet of sorts which comes with a user manual, a quick start guide, and an ethanol pad to just disinfect your device. Inside here you see the charging case itself. We'll come back to that later. Finally, you have a few accessories here. Firstly, they come with 2 extra silicone tips. So you have the small and the large sizes here, while the medium ones are attached on the earphones themselves. You also get a charging cable, which is a micro USB charging cable. And that's about it for what we have inside the box. Now let's set this aside and take a closer look at the charging case and the earphones. So as you see, it's a very large charging case. It has the micro USB port on the back side, and it comes in a grey matte finish. The Noise logo is up top here, and that's about it for the exterior. You also have one LED light. So now let's open it up. Here you see the earphones themselves and the indents which are rather large, since the earphones are pretty big and they have these sports ear hooks. So now let's set the charging case aside and look at the earphones. You have these large sport ear hooks that basically go around and at the back of your ear to give you a more secure fit as per what Noise tells us. You have the magnetic tips here which attach to the charging case and let them get charged. You also have angular nozzles, and that's about it. At the back here you have the Noise logo.